10,000 vaccinated fans will be allowed to attend the Gibson McCook relays at the National Stadium on February 26, following the government's approval on Friday.
Local Government Minister Desmond Mackenzie in a press release indicated that special permission is being given for 10,000 vaccinated spectators for the local relay carnival. The minister said the decision was made at a meeting involving officials from the organizing committee of the Gibson Relays, representatives of the Jamaica Athletics Administrative Association, and a number of ministries and agencies. Minister Mackenzie said, quote, "Having reviewed where we are with regard to the pandemic, as well as the logistical and security plans for the relays, we are satisfied that this event can be held in full compliance with all the protocols required." In the meantime, President of the J3As, Garth Gale, welcomed the good news for track and field.
As head of the governing body, we appreciate the responsibility that has been given for athletics to be able to have spectators once again. We take this seriously, and we will be working along with all the meet promoters to adhere to the requisite protocol. We have a busy year ahead of us with our national, regional, and international, and we continue to hold up the standard and to ensure that our spectators are secure and safe as they enjoy track and field once again.
Minister Mackenzie said applications for spectators at other events are also being examined. However, he said that the authorities will be careful in doing their review. The minister said while the government is keen to move the country back to normal, each application has to be submitted on its own merits as well as the COVID-19 indicators, including the positivity rate. Keon Rayner reporting for TVJ Sports.